Having trouble viewing your Tesla Dashcam footage in the app? The most common culprits are USB drive issues and file format problems. Older Tesla models from before 2022 are especially susceptible. This video will guide you through fixing these issues step by step, so your dashcam footage is easily accessible. For Tesla's dashcam to work properly, your USB drive must be formatted to the correct file system. The system requires either exFAT or FAT32 formats, while NTFS and other formats will not work and often result in file not found errors in the app. exFAT is the recommended format for Tesla Dashcam USB drives. Use it for drives larger than 32 gigabytes and when individual video files exceed 4 gigabytes in size. This format efficiently handles large storage capacities without the limitations of older systems. FAT32 is suitable for smaller USB drives and video files. It has a maximum file size limit of 4 gigabytes, making it ideal for shorter dashcam recordings. This format is widely compatible with various devices. NTFS file format is not supported by Tesla's dashcam system. Using NTFS can lead to file recognition problems and result in file not found errors when trying to view footage in the app. For optimal performance with Tesla Dashcam, use USB 3.0 drives with at least 64 gigabytes of storage capacity. Ensure your drive is reliable and compatible to avoid connectivity issues. When your USB drive is not formatted correctly, the Tesla app may display an error message like "Dashcam unavailable, check USB drive" on the vehicle's screen. To ensure reliable performance with your Tesla Dashcam, always format USB drives using either exFAT or FAT32 file systems. The easiest way to ensure correct USB drive formatting is through your Tesla's touchscreen. First, navigate to the Controls menu on your vehicle's display. From there, select the Safety and Security option to access Dashcam and USB settings. Within Safety and Security, choose the Format USB Drive option. This will prepare your drive for dashcam use. Before proceeding, back up any important files on your USB drive. The formatting process will erase all existing data permanently. Once formatted, your USB drive will use the exFAT file system, which is optimized for large video files. Tesla will also automatically create the necessary Tesla Cam folder structure for storing your dashcam footage. For the Tesla Dashcam Viewer to work properly, your videos must be stored in a specific folder structure on your USB drive. The folder must be named exactly Tesla Cam with capital T, C, and M. It is case sensitive. Place this folder directly at the root level of your USB drive, not inside any other folders. Inside the Tesla Cam folder, your dashcam videos are stored as standard MP4 files. These MP4 files contain Tesla's proprietary metadata, including timestamps and GPS location data, which the app uses to display footage properly. The app may fail to recognize videos that are corrupted, fragmented, or created by unsupported firmware versions. These issues can prevent proper playback in the Tesla mobile app. On a Mac, you can create the Tesla Cam folder using Finder. Make sure it's at the root level of your USB drive. On Windows, use Explorer to verify your Tesla Cam folder is properly placed and check your drive's file system properties. Following these file format essentials ensures your Tesla Dashcam Viewer works reliably with your vehicle's footage. If videos still won't play, try these steps. First, safely eject the USB drive from your Tesla and reinsert it. If that doesn't work, connect the drive to a computer. On Windows, run disk to repair errors. On macOS, use Disk Utility to repair. If errors persist, reformatting the drive may be necessary after backing up any recoverable files. Ensure your Tesla app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with the Dashcam Viewer. Keep your Tesla's firmware updated. Tesla releases frequent improvements and fixes for dashcam functionality. As of December 2025, version 5.1.2 is the latest. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the Dashcam Viewer issue, start by clearing the Tesla app's cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing playback problems. As an alternative, if you have Tesla Premium connectivity, consider using the optional cloud storage for dashcam footage. This uploads videos automatically to Tesla's servers, reducing reliance on your USB drive and avoiding local file issues. Tesla apps version 5.0 and later include an auto repair feature that can automatically fix common file issues. Try this before manually formatting your USB drive, as it often resolves problems without data loss.